Brand new KIMIRO update. The new KIMIRO update is right here. The new secret style is available in... It's supposed to be a secret one. I'm not really sure why it's not here. Wait, is it an ability? Where is the KIMIRO? Alright, so the new KIMIRO style is currently out. I'm not really sure where it is, but we do have all the new codes in Volleyball Legends. And if you want to have yourself an extra slot, comment KIMIRO. KIMIRO. There you go, KIMIRO. Comment down below KIMIRO right now to get yourself a extra slot in Volleyball Legends. KIMIRO. We do have all the new working codes, so guys, I'm gonna be redeeming every single new working code with this new update. So they did update KIMIRO as well as some other things. Let's see, announcements. Join up, guys, join up for the announcements. Ranked underscore fix. Ranked underscore fix. Is that one of the... Oh, fixing. No. Ranked underscore fixing. Ranked underscore fixing. That is the lucky spins. A bunch of lucky spins for this one. The next code. The next code for the KIMIRO update. We do have a bunch of codes right now from the developers. Update 17. Update 17. Look at that. Update 17. Invalid. Okay, so this one is going to drop. This is an upcoming code because we did already have update 16. Update underscore 16. Just like this. We had this code as well as 15, 14, and so on and so on. So 17 will be a upcoming code that the developers have to put in the game yet. Let's see. There it is. Okay. Update 18 crystals. Yo. Update. Oh, now they dropped it. Huh? Update 18 crystals. Update 18 crystals. Bang. Invalid code. Okay, update 18 crystals. This is how you type it. Alright? Do not worry. Bang. Okay. Please, developers, please fix your stuff. OP Libero. Wait, OP Libero. Okay, this one works. KIMIRO out code. KIMIRO out. Look, KIMIRO out. 5 lucky spins. Super dive. Boom. Super dive. Update 18 crystals. Okay, so this one is working. But the developers just messed up and they will probably fix it. This code is working, but the developers will fix it soon, as well as OP Libero. There you have it. So right now, there it is. KIMIRO is right there. KIMIRO update. The new KIMIRO update is out, and you can actually just play the game right now and get yourself the brand new KIMIRO inside of Volleyball Legends.